What's up? Bright and early in the morning. We got some stuff to do today. Damn, I just realized I gotta put Meth back in the car. Some bitch. Well, that's gonna happen. Might as well give a little walkthrough while we're at it. Yep. Big favorite turd still sitting there. What did you guys miss? We picked up a school bus, another one. Well, not literally. I just call the Suburban and Tahoe school bus. Not 100% awake, but yeah. So picked up a white Suburban, and it made it, I think, a whole 3 days before it died. So since that happened, here's a nice little picture of it being towed. And yeah, so that didn't make it long enough to do a video on it, really. And we are now going to go and search for another one. Pops is wanting an Escalade, so I think we're gonna pick up an Escalade. Hopefully an ESV, and hopefully a Platinum. That's the search. We might get rid of that guy, so probably gonna do some video for it today. Keep it on the good hotness, try some stuff out, maybe a cold start, maybe a little run down to the gas station. We're gonna do some fuel up right now, so here it comes. All right, so California built in the sense that got the carb label kit. Oh, where's our carb number? Yeah, it's a naked with a bunch of the goodies bolted onto it. Oh man, I want to say S trim blower. It's been a minute since we put it together, but built it about a year ago, 10,000 miles, and this thing's fucking solid. I believe we went with a pulley. It's got a can kit, all the internal goodies to go with it. We got a meth kit coming out the bottom right there. We decided that it'd be a great idea to just put it right in the windshield washer reservoir. So, yep, gonna throw some meth on it. A little update on the car. We did take off the carbon ceramics and Ford stars. Oh well, but it's got all the blacked out side markers, Vette lights, front and rear. These side markers are the shit. Like, if you don't mind spending extra money, you got a black car and you want your shit blacked out, that's where it's at. But this is my 2013 Corvette. It's got all the 60th anniversary badges on it. It had the heritage package. Former neighbor decided to cream into it, and we had to repaint the front. I wasn't feeling the heritage stripes, even though it's a rare package kind of per se. I believe this is like 1 out of 28. Don't quote me on it, but I think it's in 2013 they made like 150, or was it 250 Grand Sport, and then it's like 150 convertibles or something. But with the black two-tone 60th anniversary badges and all that good stuff, this is like 1 of 28. Yeah, don't quote me on those numbers. I'm a little tired. So but anyway, yeah, we're gonna put some meth in it, and I don't know, I guess we'll do a startup. Yep. Oh boy, you try to make videos and you're tired. It's a fucking killer. Anyway, no edits, here we go. Try to get a little test hits, nothing too crazy, to the gas station, and then we're in the search. California. It's kind of shitty. Fucking, you can't see it, but yeah, that motherfucker is $6.60 a gallon for 91. You fucking wrecked. Not to mention diesel. It's getting close to $7 a gallon. Fucked. So yeah, and I think I get like an average, what did it say last time, 1.5 miles a gallon on my Vette over here. So not including going through a fucking, I'd say when it comes to meth, we probably go through a tank a week. And if I'm going out to like events on the weekend, it's a tank on the weekend, because I'm fucking on it all over the place. The foot never leaves the floor. But other than that, yeah, meth, I'd say about a tank a week on the regular driving side. I'm on it like once a day, at least. Yeah, once a day at a 20-mile pull for fucking 15 minutes. Yeah, so it's not too bad. But yeah, just giving you all the answers and questions to how much meth I use. About windshield wiper fluid reservoir a week. Try to get a couple good videos before I hopped on the freeway. Because one thing I'm not a fan of is this thing. It's nice when you're around town. My kids love it. It's about as far as I'm going to get with it. I am not a big convertible fan. But it's kind of cool. Not for everybody, that's for sure. So yeah, let's see what you missed. Carbon ceramic brakes is what I was talking about. Shit didn't always record. Kind of sucks. Nice kind of thing I do have about this car is I got the fucking, I'm an old grandpa. Please allow me to speak inside my vehicle. And we're still shaking with the cam, but yeah. So, carbon ceramics, worth every penny. I think definitely not cheap. You probably, if you're lucky, you get a used set online for about $5,000. I had a buddy selling one for $6,000. Help me, help you, sure. I have to deal with shipping or taxes, so I gave him $6,000. Helped him out because he was trying to part out for some other toys. So I was like, all right. It wasn't too bad. I ended up buying new pads, and you could get pads. I think the pads are about $1,000. Rotors, $1,300 for the front each, $1,000 for each for the rear. So I mean, what are you looking at? $4,600, $1,000 in pads. You know, it's not too bad. $5,600 for brakes. Really, what it comes down to is where you're gonna get your calipers and how much you're gonna spend. But at least if you buy them separately, you can pick out which ones you want. I wasn't a big fan of the blue ones, but I got blue ones. I wanted the carbon edition grays, they're silvers. So, and I thought about getting them again for this car, but we decided that we're gonna probably get rid of it. Yeah. As I saw earlier on the video, posted this Suburban fail bus, man. Careful you buy shit from, but anyway. So yeah, so we're gonna go hunting for an ESV Platinum. I don't know if we'll find a Platinum. There's only a handful out there, and a couple of them aren't the right years that I want, so we'll see. I mean, an ESV Premium would be luxury, would be alright too. It's just not gonna have the back massagers. And some of the leather is gonna be a little different. and it won't have the fucking headrest TVs, which my kids aren't gonna watch anyway. Everybody's got their own iPad now, so what the fuck. So yeah, sounds like what we're doing today. I think that's it for the test polls. Let's see if we can't give you one more real quick with the top up and see if you can still hear some of it. We're in the car, so let's try to keep the road noise down to a minimum. Alright, so this is valves closed and the windows up. Let's open those fucking valves and see what we get. It's a little louder. Let's see if we get road noise. We're gonna take down some poles. Jesus, horrible road. Yeah, Bay Area roads fucking suck, man. For all those taxes and shit we fucking pay, the one thing they don't take care of is the fucking roads. And these roads have been under construction for fucking years. Why are they under construction for years? To put fucking fast track up. All this bullshit, I don't know if you noticed, but there's a huge fucking line down the middle. Yeah, that's like an inch and a half gap fucking elevation difference going from one side to the fucking next. It's annoying as fucking shit. So, see, just close the window down. Figure it the fuck out. I'll do like a 60. Part about it, it fucking falls on its face at 150, so you have to go to the high gear, because I have a Grand Sport, and it's geared short, not like a ZR1. Fuck, it'll do, I think it's like 178 in that fourth gear, or 168 maybe, depending on your fucking diff gears, but it's still a lot fucking higher. Here we go, let's see, windows down. Back there, I don't know, you can see it. There's a slow stang with my name on it. I'm gonna casually bait this fucker in. Oh, fellas, it looks like we got ourselves a blue goo winner. This fucking looks nice. Might be fucking slow as shit. Yeah, come here, buddy. Take your feet over here. Yeah, you fucking guy. Let's see what we got. Hear that 350 slowness. Oh yeah, baby. Come on, there you go. So we've been all the way out to the valley and back and looked at like, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them, and they've been pretty fucked up. Except for this gem right here at Dublin Chevy, Caddilac, Buick GMC. not too bad. Somebody just traded this thing in. It does have the brown peanut butter interior, but it's got all the fancy schmancy shit. Should see what goes down. Pretty freaking nice. So yeah, I don't know, doing the walk around. Oh, it's open. Here we go. Peanut butter. Right. Number 2 is another Platinum ESV. Dude, nobody wants the brown interior, man. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of white, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Looks pretty clean on the inside.
More shopping, here we go.
It happened. It's gone. Going, gone. Good night. All right, Sunday afternoon. Not a lot of content. Sorry, you've been busy dealing with this. Picked up that. Corvette went bye-bye. So, yeah, I think if this ends up being A-okay, it's going to go to the sister. It's not too bad. I mean, typical Suburban. Let's pull a little sneaky. Is really what it's meant for. No one really cares about anything else other than the... it's got the waybacks. We had my sister just had some twins. So she's all in it for the kiddos. So the more room, the merrier. I am not the biggest fan of the solid bench, though. I'm more like the splits. So, yeah, not too bad. We'll lock the doors because the fob is missing. Good stuff. And, yeah, work in progress. What else? We'll kind of do a video catch-up of that. I'm just glad I got some good stuff on the Vette yesterday. I know, it's kind of a deep to the YouTube this week, but, I mean, we're making progress slowly, but surely. Let's give you a little swing. I know. I mean, me and my family, well, I'm a big fan of the brown. My pops loves the brown, so I don't know if you're a big brown fan or not, but motherfucker's brown on the inside. Good weekend overall. We'll throw some more stuff next week.